What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we in this YouTube channel we gonna learn about how to perfectly use AI so that you can learn better and get better at a skill you are learning. Today we gonna learn how can we create our own prompt enhancer. There are some rules for writing prompts so that LLMs can generate better output. So for creating that, we gonna use a tool inside Gemini called Gems. Here we go. And inside the Gem Manager section below, we gonna click on New Gem. And gonna create a gem means according to our custom instructions, it kind of create a new mini app or we gonna name it prompt enhancer. Description is enhance the prompt. Here there is a pencil-like icon which is gonna rewrite instructions for us. Enable to rewrite. Okay then. Now it rewrited instructions that the tool inside Gemini that we're gonna create we will follow. We can choose default tool here like we can create images. We can learn any specific topic through guided learning. Inside the knowledge section, we can provide custom links here, links or files which it will read and accordingly it will generate the output. Here what we gonna do is we write ChatGPT prompt guide. We gonna copy it. We gonna create a we gonna paste the instructions here. We can remove that fillers and it is not needed. We gonna name it as ChatGPT prompts. We gonna save it. Now we gonna come back here and here inside the knowledge section we can upload the files. ChatGPT prompts, here it is. Gemini, we can also add Gemini prompting guide from Gemini website as well. I already downloaded that, so I am adding it. You can download it using download button there. It is getting uploaded. It created that custom tool for us. Now we can save it. We can start chatting. Let's say we want to learn Python. I as a beginner, I am complete beginner. I want to learn Python. Provide me both versions of ChatGPT and Gemini. Here it creates a prompt optimized for Gemini. You are an expert Python tutor, and it is optimized for ChatGPT. So in that way, you can generate prompts like if I want to learn interview, like if I say I am preparing for interviews of top product based companies, provide me a step by step guide for SD2 round, data analytics role. Provide both versions, ChatGPT and Gemini. Here it works in that way. So whatever prompt you want to enhance, by creating that custom gen, you can enhance it. So if you like to know more about AI updates and how you can enhance your productivity by using AI, please like and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video.